Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through how to withdraw money from your LSSC account, also known as Light SHA, and how you can transfer it directly to your Robinhood crypto account. So if you have earned and if you have some cash in your LSSC account in the form of USDT or USDC, and now you want it to move to your Robinhood app, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. So Robinhood now supports crypto deposits, so it is a great way for you to consolidate your crypto or prepare to sell or trade inside the application. All you need is your phone and your LSSC login and your Robinhood account. So make sure that you stick around to avoid any common mistakes like choosing the wrong network or using the incorrect address. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to start by launching your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Light SHA. Once you are on Light SHA, you need to simply provide your login credentials and you need to simply log in into your account. Now your home page will look something like this, where you will be able to see some of the tutorials and who actually work in LSSC. You will see their videos. So here, in order to access your withdrawal option, simply tap on the My tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you can tap on the withdrawal option, or you can also access it from the home page. For that, you need to tap on the home page icon again. Now tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner, then select the option of withdrawal. Now whichever method you choose, you will be landed on this withdrawal page where you will see three different options like USDT on the Polygon network, USDT on the TRC20 network, and USDC on the Polygon network. So if you are completely beginner to cryptocurrencies and you don't know what these options are, let me explain it to you one by one. So you have staked your scooters here and you have invested your money. Now you are earning every single day. In order to withdraw that money, you need to have an account or a wallet that we are using Robinhood for it. So here your earnings must be in the USDT form, right? So here you can see we have two different options for USDT. One is USDT.polygon and the second one is USDT.TRC20. So here what you can basically do is you can simply select any of these options, because in both of these options your withdrawal amount or your withdrawal gas fees will be very less. So after DOT, the Polygon and the TRC20s are basically the network which you can use in order to withdraw the money from your LSSC account, or in order to withdraw your USDT specifically from your LSSC account. If you have USDC in your account, you will only get one network, that would be Polygon. So you need to be very careful while choosing the network in your Robinhood application, because if you select the wrong network, all of your funds will be lost. So you need to be very much careful about it. So here, let's say I'm going to be selecting TRC20 network USDT. So I have checked USDT.TRC20. Now after selecting it, it is going to show you this wallet address option where you need to provide the wallet address. Now how we can get the wallet address? In order to get the wallet address, simply launch your Robinhood mobile application. Then you need to simply log in into it. Now after logging in, you will be able to see the deposit option here on the top. So simply tap on the deposit option. Choose that particular crypto which you are depositing, which in our case is a USDT, that too on the TRC20 network. So after tapping on USDT, it is going to basically show you the QR code and the deposit address in front of you. So you need to be very careful that the network is the same that you have selected in LSSC, which in our case is the TRC20 network. So you need to copy the address from here, then go back to your wallet address, paste the address in this section, then tap on the conservation option. On the next page, you will have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw from LSSC. then you need to review everything, like you need to review whether the network is correct, whether the wallet address is correct. If everything is correct, you need to simply conclude your transaction. Now once your transaction is completed from LSSC, within 5 to 10 minutes you are going to receive your funds from LSSC to your Robinhood account. So let's assume that you have received your amount in your Robinhood account. So once you have it, you need to simply unlock your Robinhood account. Here on the home page you will be able to see the balance that you have. So over here, in order to swap it, like if you have transferred USDT and now you want to use Robinhood in order to invest in any other cryptos, so you can use the swap option over here, and here you need to select the network. So if you have selected the Ethereum network, you can definitely do so. So basically you are choosing in which currency you want to swap your currencies. So let's say you want to change your USDT to Ethereum. So here, after selecting the currency, you need to tap on this drop down menu. Over here you need to simply choose Tether, and you can also change the network over here, which will be Polygon or which will be TRC20 in our case. After selecting it, you need to again go back on this page and now enter the amount of USDT that you want to convert into Ethereum, Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies. After entering the amount, simply tap on the review option. After reviewing everything, simply confirm your transaction and you will be able to basically swap from one currency to another currency, like from USDT to Ethereum. Then instead of USDT in your Robinhood account, you will have Ethereum, which you can basically hold until you see some surge in the prices of Ethereum. This way you are basically using your USDT withdrawals in order to invest more and in order to increase your earnings as well. But let's say you don't want to do this, and after receiving the money in your Robinhood account, you want to just withdraw it. So right now, as you can see, we have swap, deposit and send option over here. So you can either send the money to any other cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, if it is very easy for you to withdraw the money from Binance, because currently you can sell your cryptocurrencies on Robinhood, but it would be very difficult for you to withdraw that in your bank account. If you see the sell option over here, you need to simply tap on the sell option, then enter the amount and proceed with further steps in order to get it in your bank account. Or you can tap on the send option over here, select your cryptocurrency, provide the deposit address and get the money in any other exchanges. So whichever method you choose, you will be able to easily withdraw your money in your bank account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.